Hello everyone! Today I'm going to take you through a full pull-up progression from easier assisted movements all the way to advanced variations. I'll go through each exercise one by one so that you can follow along and find out which level you're at. Okay, so let's start with the machine assisted pull-up. This is perfect if you're just getting started. The machine helps to lift some of your body weight so that you can really focus on pulling with good form. Keep your chest up, shoulders engaged, and control the movement both up and down. The machine usually allows you to pull using different grips, for example, the wide grip, the chin up grip, or even the neutral grip. The chin up grip is usually a bit easier for beginners, while the wide grip really hits your back. Personally, every now and then, I like to switch between different grips. It's not necessary, but it brings some variations and it allows you to work the muscles from different angles. So, why not? Next up is the band assisted pull up. You just loop a band around the bar and put your foot or knee in it. The band gives you a bit of a boost as you pull, so that you can practice the foot pulling motion while still making it a bit easier. You can also adjust how hard it feels by using a thicker or thinner band. The thicker the band, the more help you get. Just be careful that the band might slip off your foot and give you a little ouch in the wrong place. This variation instead uses a band stretched between two posts of a rig, with your feet on it. Like for the previous version, you can make it easier or harder depending on how thick the band is. Here, the main difference compared to the previous one is that you don't risk the band snapping between your legs. However, I find this variation a bit too fiddly to set up, and I struggled a bit to find the right height. Well, I made a little short about that, so if you need a smile, I recommend you to check it out. You can find it in the description below. Next, we've got the Australian row. This is an horizontal pulling exercise that works the same muscles as the pull-ups, but with a gentler and less vertical angle. You can make it easier by placing your feet closer to the bar, or make it harder by moving your feet further away. Keep your body straight and pull your chest to the bar, really squeezing your shoulder blades together. You can also adjust the height of the bar. The higher the bar, the more upright your body will be and the easier it gets, especially if you keep your feet closer in. The lower the bar, the more your body is parallel to the floor, and that makes it much tougher. Ring rows are pretty similar to Australian rows, but using rings adds a bit of instability, which makes your core and stabilizing muscles work harder. Just like with Australian rows, you can make them easier or harder by adjusting the angle of your body or the position of your feet. As usual, keep your body tight and controlled throughout the movement. Well, if you are still here, you might as well hit subscribe. It's free and it makes me feel productive. Thank you. Alright, now we have dead hangs. So, dead hangs are awesome for building grip strength. Just hang from the bar with your arms fully extended. Try to stay relaxed in your shoulders, but keep your grip strong. The longer you can hang, the more endurance you build, which really helps with pull-ups. Then we have scapular pull-ups. So scapular pull-ups are all about engaging your shoulders. Hang from the bar with your arms straight and just use your shoulder blades to lift your body a little bit. These really strengthen your lats and shoulder stabilizer, which are super important for clean and controlled pull-ups. The top hold, as the name say, is just holding yourself at the top of a pull-up with your chin over the bar. This really strengthens your muscles in the fully contracted position and helps improve control and lock out strength for your pull-ups. Negative pull-ups are a great way to build strength if you still can't do a full pull-up, or maybe you can only do one or two. Just jump or step up to the top position, then slowly lower yourself down. Take your time on the way down, as this really works your muscles and helps you to get stronger for the full pull-ups. And finally, the body weight pull-up. Yes, you made it. Pull yourself up until your chin goes over the bar. Then make sure to engage your core, keep your back and arms working evenly and avoid swinging, and control the way down. And then the weight pull-ups. Once the regular pull-ups start to feel easier, it's time to add some weight. You can use a deep belt or just hold the dumbbell between your legs. The key here is control, don't rush it. So keep your core tight, pull smoothly, and lower yourself with control. And that's the end of your pull-up progression guide. I hope you enjoyed it. And well, please write in the comments any feedback or question you may have, and let me know how your pull-up progress is going. Remember that everyone starts somewhere, so just focus on good form, stay consistent, and you'll keep getting stronger. Don't rush it, enjoy the process, and celebrate those little wins along the way. Thank you.